Respected Shri Purnamchand Parmarji, respected Dr. Koshia, Dr. Daradi, Dr. Mahapatra, Mr. Jeff, Dr. Ravi, Dr. Davia, dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, officers from FTCA Gujarat, CDS, CO and other regulatory bodies, members from IDMA, and members from the food and pharma industry. Today we are talking of a very important topic that touches all of us, and that is the next frontier for growth for this industry. And when we speak of next frontiers of growth, let me put a perspective of statistics that I have already shared sometime, that there are more people alive today than have ever died. We are almost 7 billion people living on earth, and we are growing rapidly. What it means for all of us is that there are more opportunities for everyone sitting in this room to grow. Because all these 7 billion people and the growing number needs food, shelter and healthcare. And obviously the demand is going to multiply. On the other hand, governments across the globe are making serious efforts to increase the life expectancy and the quality of life index for its citizens. It's a common phenomenon across the globe. Putting these two things in perspective, we come a situation where there is a possibility of tremendous growth in this industry. Having said that, there is one more statistics which says that there is not probably a single country in the world that doesn't import pharmaceuticals from India. As much as there is not a single country in the world that doesn't host a Gujarati family living there. So, we are into our roots are spread across the globe. Why I'm putting this statistics here is that we have our people across the globe, and we have an industry which is so powerful, which is able to cater to the needs of billions of people across the globe. So, what is stopping us? Well, I think if you speak from the Gujarat's perspective, already a lot of speakers have shared, we are in the leader position in pharmaceuticals alongside Maharashtra, and we have been consistently performing both in terms of affordable medicines and access to good quality medicines. Quality is also very important for all of us, and we have been successfully doing it for years. In fact, the growth of Indian pharmaceutical industry has always been a shade better than the growth of GDP. On a statistics perspective, we have been almost 1.5 times the growth of GDP. When the Indian GDP was growing around 10%, 9%, we are growing around 13%. Today, when the GDP is between 6 and 7, we are growing around 10%. And the industry has robustly grown. So what is the catch? The catch is we cannot continue to grow tomorrow with yesterday's policies and perspectives and ways of doing business. And therefore, we need a stable, industry-friendly policy and environment that fosters the growth of everybody in this industry. We all know the government of India has just put out a draft pharmaceutical policy, and in fact in the pharma circles it is the talk of the town. Everybody is very apprehensive of what is going to happen and how it is going to happen. But like Chanakya, when he wrote Earth Shastra, he cited that the health of any government or industry is as good as or as bad as the people handling it make. Like if the industry or a government is in good hands with people, the decision makers who take things in a very positive perspective, the industry grows, the government grows, and the society grows. And if it's not in the right hands, obviously it goes the other way around. Now that we have a pharma policy which is likely to address a lot of issues both from the government perspective and from the industry's perspective, I think the government is also taking us on the platform to understand what are our apprehensions, and as IDMA we'll do our best to put our perspectives to the government. And if we have a very stable, sound policy which fosters investment in this sector, which helps to grow all the small, medium and large companies, we have a very good future. Just take a few more minutes. Since I started talking, or since we started this morning, almost 15 children would have died in Africa out of HIV. Today, almost 1,000 new patients of diabetes would have been detected across the globe, and more than 800 patients of cancers would be detected today. The number is growing, and we all have a big challenge and a big responsibility to cater to. So I think the future, the growth perspectives are very good, and we should all make a very concentrated effort to eat this pie. I wish this conference a great success. Thank you.